You happy, sister?
Say talk to me.
Let's react.
Go ahead, talk to her. I'll hold this.
Ah! Sister, you want to talk? Oh, that's awesome. I like this. She's so cute. We'll have to show you this video. There we go. There we go, sister. That's exactly what I wanted.
Keep talking to her.
Hey, sister. This is exactly what you wanted. I wanted to get that on video. Alright, I gotta go.
Okay, you want to turn it off?
Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
Goodbye. We hope you enjoyed this video.